Shut up, your Lord, child. Oh, God. Run over here, child, please. Oh, God. Let me hit the line.
No, don't any like purple. I'm gonna send
Rosalie,
someone
remember
to
what you
come and
do,
get you over there.
Rosalie.
Purple, you have what to
Rosalie.
something go stay happen to somebody.
Rosalie, remember what you do, Rosalie. Rosalie, remember what you do. Rosalie. Rosalie.
Oh God.
Rosalie, remember what you do to say one back to us, Stevie. Bring it up, say, why did you say you wanted to kill his family members? I'll know that not come in the courthouse. So make it make sense, Strat. They'll come tomorrow and give me one different situation, one different argument.
Yeah.
I don't know why I wouldn't eat me, so I have no idea. I have no idea. You're not get what Tikki have. You're not gonna
Hello
get
guys, how you
it.
doing guys? Yeah. Bye bye.
You're not get what Tikki have. I can promise you that. You're not get what Tikki have. And that you want, you're not get it. I don't know. Him coming up. He might play victim or something. I came back from my trip, right? I come on live, and I'm saying, guys, recap me of what happened on the media. Then recap me about them recap me with the World Dog and Swiss League conflict. Them update me upon Rosalie, and them update me say the boy Alton post one picture of him boyfriend. I'm saying, no problem. If me and me have 4 man, and you have there's a roach on my wall, no roach can on my house, one block you.
Alton say, Tikki, we are come from far. Oh!
You get me? So how comes all of you and then you come in live here, city and start for discuss me, but that why I'm post up now begging the top son roses that's shading me. And me not come and say nothing, you know. Me not say nothing. Oh this boy I'm post him now come begging the top son roses and this and that. Like that's like so much.
Nate, I will beg you a lawyer. Nate, I will beg a lawyer. Nate.
Tell them say the strongest soldier get the hardest fight.
Me never this year for me to come and talk about the things about me like that. I didn't.
Come on, Joel.
So wait now. So the day when me and him a cuss, me get lion, money gone on the things them, you cussing and get none. Then the next following day, me come and me save my fragment again. You come with all me eat out the bottom now for our Tikki and say people they can believe. And I'm gonna say, okay, cool. If him say eat out, if 2 person come and say eat out them bottom, that means they are true. 2 person wouldn't lie. So you come and you add pan that. And then now you come now you call me and Rosalie name, so me and Rosalie use you. When it's a funeral, I now keep the funeral because I don't want a body because he made the statement out time mouth say him feel for do what Trish do. And we all know what Trish did. So I'm not gonna keep the funeral and nobody pretend as if they're in depression for getting a gift off of me or anything from me and figure something there for say me made them hurt themselves. It not happen. That's the only reason why the funeral not keep. Cause one person used me already, so I lick them at them head and get too much gift off of me, but now make a second person do it.
1.3 people sit on TikTok and watch Alton Ball. Oh, wow, man. Trev, the new series called Suburban Trev. Me are the director. Junior, I got to hire you for the balling.
Who name Junior?
Jelly, my band.
Then Junior, they run here do balling and me don't know. Maybe I him.
Six stomach.
When they add him fire stuff.
You go over there and record him. I'm gonna see the recording.
From purple looking at your house and see if purple start bed you know, we now look for what me and watch you when you're on the live, you know what looking at your house and then when you up what mine are red eyes.
No wickedness them something Baby so like what
And the big
Sure, me got to send you this. Me got to say this right now. Because what? That is insanity.
forward it to my phone, the sister.
Where the bomb, man? I'll send it to Trevor and I'll send it to Jelly. Where the ass, boy?
No, sir. I would think that this day would have been like this.
Today can't get no sweet and chat. We got a lot to bust up today.
I must say, I would take have him want. If not gonna break the relationship, and feel as if he's going to get what Tikki get when the breakup happened. That's what he thought would have happened. That's the reason him come out every day and come out and say, Tikki come out and the nose not balling and see them now him do the exactly same thing. I'm gonna tell them from yesterday say what Tikki have him want, but they not listen and understand. But they not understand.
Me dear.
And I couldn't offer that to him. That is the issue. I could offer that to him.
Because if you look at it, Tikki full of personality, you know. That's why I carry Tikki still. Tikki full of personality.
That's why I remember it's him get up and beef with Tikki, you know. Before I even was in the picture with him and Tikki had already beefing. Remember time lapse.
Me dear. One Ipa passa Japan can the internet. I was the internet right now.
Okay.
Yeah, brother.
I'm telling you. Same balling with nose with what's up there, him mouth and nose that I run on him nose. Same thing. I find the recording when Tikki and what's your name? Tikki and Triple. And then my boss said, oh, Trevor, move out. Go find the record and put it beside that and say for the same thing. Put it beside it and say for the same thing. When tell me from yesterday, I will take it of him want the views. And him sweating say gift gonna come with it. Him sweating said I get lion and tigers and beer like what Tikki did get. So it was all in his plan. Cause that's all them want to talk about Tikki. We're gonna do this for Mad Tikki. We're gonna do this for Mad Tikki, and we're gonna come on, and then me hear them. I must up on the live. Me hear him. Me hear Tikki father. That's a big one. Me hear Tikki father say, "You might go dress her up and doll her up and the things." And then upon live, remember the guys, and as so comes me said then, if big one I got doll up Tikki. It makes sense for do it month end when me are there in New York. Okay, for me the girl them I go at it for, it makes sense that the boy is there. But myself on live she showed me the dress them to me. Cause again she could have called me and show my dress, come and talk to her on phone call. She up on live and show the dress them. And I say, yeah, they wanna look good, wear the one day and stuff like that. Pan live. She want to compete with Tikki so bad and be like her for and views them so bad.
Oh dear.
I want to compete me for be this kind of person.
Alton
Everything. Why you never come out and say me suck off a toe? You come out and say me eat out about you all. Cause Tikki say it too. Why never make up your own and something and say me come suck off your toes them? But now I have my sweaty shoes for the whole day and the boy come suck off your toes them. Why never come with your own and something? Huh? Why? I'm telling you, you know, the day when she had Tikki and Tikki never had on her side, my Friday the next day Tikki there in her box, every single thing I got rolled out of Tikki she have mimic off. I just saw her thing say she gonna get it. Cause she said Tikki move out and gonna get apartment and get house and the things them and she will have to furnish her house and at that. Every voice note which send me and say, tell her if I come play the voice note with them and stuff. I forgot come out, you know. Cause we now make Tikki win, cause Cause a big one no styles, a big one no for dress and the things them. So I have to make sure say I come out and when the dress them come and now make Tikki with me and the things them. I pay Tikki on her head. I pay Tikki. That's it. Cause when me and Rosalie are play and Rosalie add you on, then I second we start for play 4-way with me, Rose, Candy, and him. You see the 4 ways at night time. Member tracked. Yeah? Member. And I succumbs we realize them now get no gifts on the things them. Till even Candy a trouble man says, "See man I get gift for you now if not beg." Cause I never tell her for company me at the chat. I try to tell us, oh, stop cuss cause Trev don't like when I cuss, but never tell us if I don't cuss. Cause if I cuss your content. Cussing and dance. And but me get fame back after you. The fuck? The only time people true with the 4-way. Yes, but not lie, but internet always nobody remember. Nobody don't remember nothing. Apparently nobody don't remember nothing because Trevor the bad and evil person and I mean wrong. And I succumbs the agency go and play. Come and say no, say you do something can help the child here because she complains so she not getting a gift and just like you see like Bam's custom gifters. As such as same him used to do, but him toned a little bit now. And say so much gal over here, and the gal can't summon a live goal. Him stop calling them big pussy and the things them now, but him still call them gal and the things them.
So she know.
And
so
me tell him to stop. And me tell him say nah, get it because you disrespect the people them. So we can go. You think when I come bring me down? You know, bring me down. Yeah, man. Bring me down. And everything like a happen. Yeah. We're gonna see what next. We're gonna see what next. I see him so Tikki come out and watch now. When I go see, it take a play out in our face. It take a play out in our face. So go play out today if it was me alpha suck or eat out your bottom in a club. And you sweat like your blood clot come from the dream. If somebody sweating on them arms, so imagine them batty grind side will lock up. Be realistic, chat. Chat be realistic. I most woman watch me. When a man come off of the road off of the gym or the man come from somewhere, you know say the cocky the sweat up, you don't want to suck that. Or when the wife say for suck it, you don't want to suck it. You tell the boys I got beard now or you and the boy got beard together. So why the hell you meet me? You're coming from your house in your house. And you meet me and Junior on 125th and the train we take the train go down a Manhattan now in a Times Square.
Yeah.
And you meet up on the train, you know. You're not doing nothing and you're sweat out hell. And you arm that, you know. One puddle of water. Imagine a batty creases will lock up. Come tell us that you wanted me to eat your bottom. Cause the man pull with Junior and go eat out Junior bottom. So you don't want me to pull you with to eat out your bottom. It would have never happen. It would have never happen. It would have never happen. The man pull with Junior eat out Junior wall. And I must have feel that me didn't want me. She must have said, "Oh, me supposed to go pull you if you eat out your body wall." Huh? And me meet you, me see up on live with all of that. Winter put it back up, put it on a big screen. Imagine your body will lock up. If your arms stay so. Look on that, all your chest come way around. I mean, forget about it about that. All because Tikki come out and say me eating bottom. Him come out and say me didn't want eating bottom too. Adding to the story.
Yeah. It's a one ipa passa.
What is the big deal about eating bottom? Is it a bad thing?
We know you're about to eat and stop, Julia. We're not talking about that.
No, me ask. No, because everybody. No, for true. Because since
No,
year,
listen.
everybody
The
has said,
reason
oh,
being, let me tell you the why they're saying it because I sell food. So that's the reason why they're doing it, because I sell food. So the fact that I talk and stuff, and if anybody asks me a question, I talk about the food and stuff like that. Don't buy my food because me eat batty. So that's the motive behind it. Why my screens keep on a dim?
oh,
Yeah, so that's why they might come up with a eat batty something.
the computer tired.
Well, Trev,
Yes,
let me
so.
go buy some candy or so. So chat, I'm not gonna tell the truth. If the candy not still good, I'm gonna come and say. Let me go order some candy.
I don't feel me, yeah, sister.
Trev, you prefer to me to buy from TikTok shop or directly from your website?
TikTok
From the
shop, so you
TikTok
can leave a
shop.
review.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what happened. That's what I'm telling you, it's a play things like I was telling you yesterday. Said Tikki should want be like, I telling her. I'm telling her, I saw come to come out.
Elton Brown.
Remember she come out yesterday in a boy clothes and the things them came out. Tikki come out on the media. After everything happened, Tikki come out and show her head peel out, show her head steer, and Tikki came out raw, showing her raw, authentic self. Remember, I know? And that's why she come out, the video where you send me, Mama up there, look again, you know, I'm show you say Tikki the bitch.
Puffito.
See? Tikki came out, and I saw him to come out like this now. Or him come out like this now. And must say, if you call yourself a woman, and you're a woman, why are you looking like this as a woman?
Right. That's not my.
I saw Tikki
You know,
coming
so
out
I'm
him
not
wig.
lie.
I saw Tikki come on with him wig and everything and show a pothole in him head and every single thing. And today you come now a ball tears with nose knot and bogo like what Tikki did that do when she and tripled it up on the live. On a seat. And I don't tell you no. No yeah, but I can't prove it with art and own advice because I not have my phone. And the worst thing I did was to left my phone in the house before I went to the event. So I turned back for the phone and be late. Hello, Skylar.
Yeah, madam, it was a mistake.
Okay.
And Trev, you know how I go on, right?
So hope you don't know what I keep now.
Let me try to go.
Hope everybody, but some are guilty, and I'm a user, and the things them, no, will use me. Cause when I forward with me Candy, Rosalie and him used to play, him always have the lowest numbers of views. Him always have the lowest numbers of views. So I don't understand how me get people from you. How? Remember now, I saw we start out. Remember that. Okay. It's like everybody over your side delusional with you. Forgot how it really start out. Upon live, I discuss the agency with you. Upon live. And you weren't forced into it because you want money so bad. You want my money if I post them. You want my money for TikTok so bad, you join it. Oh, remember say something that thing, you know. Remember say a planting. Remember say this, that. Remember you know, Trev, you have to play the part. You can't come and talk about certain things. Because when I come on my talk to me a foreman, he never like that. He never like, so when I come on and talk about, I have to watch careful what I say. I have to watch careful what the things that I say. Because the people them not gonna believe say I choose something where I do and the things them. What? When I make you blood class at my traffic, but send for a prettier girl. Go away, you're ugly and tough.
Then for your bada girl, she no want no other man. But there.
Yeah, everybody bill me. Yeah, as soon as my follow, somebody got you something, I them build me. Yeah, I them build me. Nobody never that watch me and the things them and stuff. The fuck?
Well, Trev,
Fuck.
because the woman, remember the woman come on when me come do
Them a crosses. Them a crosses. A 3 weeks me in a league for. Them a crosses. And as soon as me and the Batman fall out, me then I be. I struggle for going in me a crosses. Them a crosses before say, who am my back door? So who am my back door? You know I'm have to look. Them a walk past. Them a crosses. Sicking dirty blood clot people. Them a crosses, man. Sick my stomach.
Shrat, one heap of
The AC a she now work. I forgot mash up she now.
Chat, one heap of pass up on Alton live. Alton, you gone too long. You need to come back, Alton. Chat.
What is Alton?
Huh?
What is Alton?
And at